Alter Schwede! Alter Schwede!
A tornado caused damage in the Steinburg and Pinneberg districts. Roofs ripped off, windows shattered, a container thrown overboard. A tornado struck the west coast during a severe storm. Train services to Hamburg were disrupted today due to damage to overhead power lines. A day after the tornado struck the Steinburg and Pinneberg districts on Sunday, cleanup efforts are underway.
Alter Schwede! Alter Schwede! Das habe ich noch nicht gesehen. Alter! Oh! Oh! Alter Schwede!
Homeowners and the Federal Agency for Technical Assistance, THW, are working hard to temporarily secure damaged roofs. Numerous neighbors are helping each other. According to the fire and police departments, the tornado, which originated over the Elbe River, passed through Glückstadt shortly before 7 p.m. on Sunday. In the industrial area on Keil Street, the wind ripped off the flat roof of a building. According to an NDR reporter, the tornado's path was quite narrow. It stretched from Glückstadt to Herzhorn and Engelbrechtsche Wildnis. Almost nothing happened to the left or right of the tornado. For many, it was almost a miracle that no one was seriously injured in the disaster. The tornado also swept through a multi-story housing complex on Bühlerweg, tearing off several roofs and shattering windows. Later, the tornado reached another residential area in the Engelbrechtsche Wildnis area, Steinburg district, where roof tiles were ripped off 8 houses. According to police, a total of 40 to 50 buildings were damaged, also due to flying debris. On one street, parts of a garage still lay completely destroyed, piled on top of each other. Further south, residents also felt the effects of the tornado. In Gross Offenseth, Aspern, Pinneberg district, a 40-foot-long container was lifted by the wind onto the main road, damaging 3 or 4 cars. Furthermore, in Valstedt, Segeberg district, a manhole cover on Kieler Straße overflowed, causing flooding. The road was partially closed from 10 p.m. onwards.